our Camino begins. I always get a mixture of excitement and butterflies in my tummy, waiting for the train to St. John, to start the Camino Frances. Everything I'll need for my Camino is in this backpack. A pilgrim takes a quick selfie before embarking on the trip of a lifetime. Buen Camino. We've decided to start this Camino differently. We won't stay in St. Jean-Pied-de-Port. We'll pick up our pilgrim credentials from the Pilgrim Office, then start our ascent of the Pyrenees today. Our plan is to break the big first day in two and stay halfway up the mountain at a wonderful place I've wanted to stay at for years. This video is supported by Camino Maps, the #1 app for stage planning, maps, and accommodation listings on the Camino. It's getting very real now. Time to pick up our pilgrim passports. They're closed for lunch. We've now got an hour to kill, so let's go and explore St. Jean. Time for some pre-Pyrenees hiking refreshments. And while we wait, I check out the elevation profile and where we're staying tonight. It seems we're not the only pilgrims in need of a credential. The Pilgrim Office is staffed by volunteers who do an amazing job helping pilgrims. Penny and I pick up 2 pilgrim passports for our journey.
This passport for one pilgrim? Yes. So you make a screenshot in your gallery. It's okay? And then you show
Our first stamp. We're given a map and useful information of our journey ahead.
Okay. In your way, you can fill your bottle with water here, and it's the last point of water.
Okay, so we've got our pilgrim passports, and now we've got to do this walking malarkey. You feeling ready?
Yes.
Here we go. No matter how many times I do this first day on the Camino Frances, part of me always forgets what a little workout it really is. It certainly gets you breathing heavy, makes you feel alive. Yeah, onwards and upwards. The higher up the Pyrenees we go, the worse the weather gets. Fog has just kind of enveloped everything on the Camino today. We might walk straight past Horizon, it's so thick, this fog. Beautiful, quiet apart from kind of the crickets, occasional bird song. Beautiful. I've never actually walked the first day on the Francés this late in the day. It's around 4 o'clock. It's such a peaceful time to walk. You can hear voices up at Horizon. So I think well, people are there. It's probably full by now, but we're going to push on and go past that, like a kilometre past, to Albergue border. So I'm really looking forward to that. But today has surprised me. It's been tough. Really made me feel old. But yeah, here we go. And this is where we'll break this stage in two. Albergue border, which is roughly 1 kilometre past Horizon. We take off our bags and shoes and head upstairs to our room. Home for the night. After showering and changing our clothes, it's time for a delicious communal meal.
We need your bags. I'm happy to accept the contract. I mean, it's been 9 years.
At the communal meal, Laurent, the owner, conducted a wonderful welcoming ceremony. But he asked me not to film it, so it stayed special for new guests. The final climb to Roncesvalles is tomorrow, and the weather isn't looking good at all. Night. Are you walking the Camino Frances or Camino Portuguese? Camino Maps is your free, all-in-one hiking companion. Track your location in real time, plan your stages, and find accommodation with direct links to book or message. Available on Google Play and the App Store. Free, with no ads and no in-app purchases. A hearty breakfast, then we'll be off. Okay, our day now resumes, and now we're walking into the fog. It really is quite poor, low visibility. It's magical, really quiet. So I'll be quiet and enjoy the walk. Buen Camino. The fog is so thick, it makes it feel like you're all alone up here. The weather is getting worse, so we push on. just follow the arrows. Months of the year when the Napoleon route is closed to hikers because the weather is simply too dangerous.
Over we go into Spain.
The rhythmic rustling of our ponchos is so loud in this quiet forest. The weather starts to get worse, so we seek shelter in the emergency refugio. We stop to eat our packed lunches, and some locals pop by to say hello. We made it, the highest point of our hike up the Pyrenees. And now? Well, it's all downhill from here, quite literally. Not long to go now. But first, we have a choice to make. Take the steep path down the forest or the more sedate roadway. We chose the forest.
Crazy, busy.